Start. Good evening, all respected teachers. Today's topic learning is management of natural resources. So, teachers, what are the means of management and resources and natural resources? What are the means of natural resources? Resource as anything in the environment which can be used, it is called natural resources. Anything in environment, those things are present in environment, it is called natural resources. Some of all the important natural resources, just like a forest, just like wildlife, water, coal, petroleum, these are called natural resources. A system, what are the means of manage? How will you manage the natural resources in an environment? So the system of controlling use of natural resources in such a way to avoid their the wastage and use them in most effective way, it is called natural management of natural resources. How will you manage in natural resources? How will you control in natural resources? Just like in natural resources of coal, just like in natural resources of petroleum, just like in natural resources of natural gas. How will you manage these natural resources? You are a teacher, you also advise all students how will you manage natural resources? Just like in natural resources of coal. So do not wastage the coal in environment. So coal is very precious and coal are limited in nature. Students, you do not wastage the petroleum in environment. Do not wastage the petroleum in environment because petroleum is very spacious natural resources and these things are the natural resources are a natural gas, just like a natural gas wood, just like a natural gas LPG, just like a natural gas CNG, because these resources are very important. These resources are very applicable and these resources are sustainably in environment. So these resources are do not waste in nature. The development which meets the current basic of human need also preserve the resource for need the future generation. It is called sustainable development. Student, you are teacher, you are also learner, you are also provide all students what are the means of sustainable development. What are the means of sustainable development? The development which meet the current basic of human need also preserves the resources and the need of future generation. Something is present in the nature is very spacious, just like a limited spacious things are coal, just like limited spacious things are petroleum, just like special limited things are natural gas. So these things are limited in nature. You teacher, you also advise all students do not wastage coal, do not wastage petroleum, do not wastage natural gas because these are very important and these are very spacious natural things in nature. So these are called sustainable development. And the protect of environment from harm and destructions to save and conserve the environment. In this chapter, we will describe the use of the resources. Today's topic will describe the sustainable development is conserved in our environment. Why do we need manage our resources? Why do we need manage our resources? You are teacher, you are also advise all the students. Students, why do we need manage our resources? Because all things are used or consumed of foods, clothes, furniture, fuels, vehicles and water. So we need to manage our natural resources because the following reason. Because the resources are earth is limited. Because the resources are earth is limited. Which things are resources are earth is limited? Just like a coal, just like a petroleum, just like a natural gas. These things are limited in nature. So do not waste this material. The proper management of natural resources takes into considerations long term to protective and prevents the exploitations of fields and short term gains. The proper management can ensure the equitable disturbances of natural resources. Natural resources don't disturb in nature because these things are very spacious. Proper management will take and considerations of damage. Do not damage the environmental natural resources and use the natural resources fully and minimize damage. And examples, the trees and cut down various purposes. So many people are stakeholder. What are the means of stakeholder? Stakeholder, the large people and those people who are interested in the forest and who are attached and affinity in the forest and forest area. Who is these people? The people are tribal people. Tribal people are attached to the forest and forest product. Forest and forest product. So these people are called stakeholders people. Okay, and the one of the main aim of management of natural management of forest and wildlife so conserve the biodiversity have inherited. A person with interest or concern the something, it is called stakeholder. Who is this person? The person are called tribal people, the person are called industrialist people, the person are called the locality forest locality people. What are the means of stakeholder? Some points are few indicated in the stakeholder: the people who live in around the forest and forest department, some extent the forest produce lead to their life. Forest department of government own the forest land and control the resources for forest. The industrialists who the various forest products, they are the factories such as wood, making paper and tissue. The forest are a wildlife activities. So you are teacher, you are also advise all the students what are the means of stakeholder. You are teacher, you are already provide the students are some question arises, sir or ma'am, what are the means of stakeholder. You also advise the teacher, you are students and say something, what are the means of stakeholder. Stakeholder, those people who are affinity and attached to the forest area or forest product are called stakeholder people. जो फॉरेस्ट के इर्द गिर्द में रहते हैं या फॉरेस्ट के अगल बगल में जुड़े रहते हैं, जिसको फॉरेस्ट से बेनिफिट होता है, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं स्टेक होल्डर पीपल. क्या बोलते हैं? स्टेक होल्डर पीपल. सो फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ एक्टिविटी एंड डिस्क्राइब व्हाट्स आर द स्टेक होल्डर ग्रुप नीड टू बी गेट्स ऑफ फॉरेस्ट. तो ये फॉरेस्ट ट्रैवल पीपल जो होते हैं, जो लोग क्या करते हैं फॉरेस्ट एरिया में रहते हैं और फॉरेस्ट में उसको बेनिफिट मिलता है, इसीलिए फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट से काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्या होता है उसको लगा होता है. People living near the forest usually use the resources and forest very much damage of environment. And forest products are used but do not damage and do not harm in environment. So they are used for fulfilling forest products. Forest department has the major stake in the resources of forest wildlife because good revenue of the department. So do not cutting the forest, do not cutting the forest product. So forest is very important in our natural beauty. So do not cutting down the forest and do not disturb the forest. So cutting down the forest, many wildlife creatures are totally disturbed. Many wildlife creatures are totally disturbed, and many animals are endangered, and many animals are extinct. Just like the teachers who saw that many animals are extinct in nature. So just like a dinosaur, just like a dodo, just like the Australian finches, so many animals and many birds are extinct and many animals are endangered. So forest is the beauty of nature. So you will always appreciate and you will always advise all the students plugging down and germinated the seed and plugging down, do not plug the tree and cultivate many and many plants. So many and many plants provide oxygen in nature and the life will be sustained and life will be survived. Okay? So teacher, any queries? We will ask them some questions.
Sir, एक बार stakeholders definition समझ आ गया, एक बार और बता दीजिए.
Okay, ma'am. I have already with the discussions of stakeholder. What are the means of stakeholder? A person who with an interest or concern for something is called stakeholder. वो पर्सन जो पर्सन फॉरेस्ट के खास करके जो ट्रैवल पीपल्स होते हैं, वो पीपल जो फॉरेस्ट के इर्द गिर्द में जुड़े रहते हैं, वो क्यों रहते हैं फॉरेस्ट के इर्द गिर्द में जुड़े रहते हैं? एक्चुअली उसको फॉरेस्ट से बेनिफिट मिलता है. Just like forest provide different kind of herbs, just like it provide a different kind of food, different kind of medicine, different kinds of food, and people live around the forest depends some extent on the forest product and their life. Just like a different kind of forest product and different kind of medicine. So these people are called stakeholders people. And the forest department of government will own the forest land to control the resources of forest. फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट गवर्नमेंट वो डिप्यूट्स करती है कुछ पीपल्स को, जो पीपल फॉरेस्ट के ट्रैवल पीपल जो उसके लोकेलिटी में रहेंगे और वहाँ के टोटल वाइल्ड लाइफ को भी कंजर्व करेंगे और फॉरेस्ट के प्रोडक्ट को भी कंजर्व करेंगे. ये भी है पॉइंट है. एंड इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हु आर यूज द वेरियस फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट फॉर देयर फैक्ट्री सच एज वुड ऑफ द मेकिंग ऑफ पेपर, फर्नीचर, टेंड्यू, लीफ फॉर द मेकिंग ऑफ बिल्डिंग्स. फैक्ट्री ओनर्स भी स्टेक होल्डर्स में फैक्ट्री ओनर्स भी आ सकते हैं, जस्ट लाइक आपके फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट गवर्नमेंट कुछ पीपल को रिपोर्ट्स करते हैं एंड कुछ इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट भी होते हैं जो क्या होते हैं जो स्टेक होल्डर्स में आते हैं। अब टॉपिक कंटिन्यू। इंडस्ट्रीज आर द मेजर वेस्ट ऑफ द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ फॉरेस्ट। मेनी इंडस्ट्रीज आर मेजर interest of the forest and forest. So the major problems it is called what are the means of, we will discuss silviculture. What are the means of silvi and silviculture? What are the means of silviculture? A major program of silviculture has been started to replenish of the forest growing of more tree and plant. Silviculture is the major program started from the depleting of forest and silviculture program many advantages. So silviculture program many advantages. At first I will discuss silviculture. What are the means of silviculture? Silvi means the area of Himalayan region. The area of Himalayan region, many tall grasses are grown in the area of Himalayan region. So many shepherds boy who came to and the grazing purposes from the many sheep. Many sheep are grazed. So totally localized area are completely vanished of different kind of grass. Vanished of different kind of grass. Eating some grasses, some shepherd boy are eating some the grasses just like a goat, just like a sheep. So the totally area are fully diversified. The totally area are fully vanished. Tall grasses are totally fully vanished in this area. So the government has restricted the band-aid. The government has restricted the band-aid of area that do not grazing in the area of silvi. So this culture is called silviculture. So it is the produce a large quantity of raw material for the industry like timber and paper industry. The increased area of the earth under the forest. The maintain the protect water cycle in nature to prevent soil erosion and prevent flood. There are the certain people and activity. Many people are activity. So silviculture area, many wildlife are extinct and government are restrictly banned and this area and do not grazing the shepherd boy and the total beauty of wildlife nature is fully beauty of the nature of our the environment. Do not damage the environment. Do not damage the Himalayan region. Okay. The case and study of case of Kejaria tree. The case of Kejaria tree. There is a Vaishnav community in Rajasthan. There is a Vaishnav community in Rajasthan. States of the home, the conservation of forest and wildlife. The religious brief in 1731. The Amrita Devi Vaishnavi Award. The Amrita Devi Vaishnavi Award did to the group of 363 persons. Your teacher, you will also discuss the class. What are the main disputes? What are the means of the case of Kejaria tree? The case of Kejaria tree, the main role played Amrita Devi in Vaishnav community in Rajasthan. So the Amrita Devi totally conserved the tree of Kejaria in Rajasthan and 363 women are held. 363 women are held. The Amrita Devi who sacrifices their lives of protection the Kejaria tree and Kejaria village near the Jodhpur in Rajasthan. So this show the determination some people of what the conservation of our environment. Government had recently instituted by the Amrita Devi National Award for Amrita Devi Vaishnavi the conservation of Kejaria tree. So this case is called Kejaria tree. Any queries, ma'am? Answer. Now topic continued. The Andolan of Chipko. Means of Chipko Andolan. Chipko Andolan, even teacher, even taught the class of biology, even taught the class of many histories like geography, many topic discussions, Chipko Andolan. What are the means of Chipko Andolan? Another the example of contribution the common people. Just like one contribution for the environment, Amrita Devi Singh Vaishnavi Award. Amrita Devi. For the case of Kejaria tree in Rajasthan, and another the important discussion Chipko Andolan. Another example of contribution the common people towards the conservation of forest, the Chipko Andolan. Chipko Andolan at first discussed, one teacher at first discussed Chipko Andolan. The Andolan is another name is Hug the Tree Movement. What are the means of hug? Hug means the attach or affinity in the forest. So this means for hug. And the Chipko Andolan originated from the incidents of remote village which is called Reni in Garhwal. Chipko Andolan originated from the Reni village in Garhwal the area of Himalaya. In 1970s century, the logging of contractor has been permitted. The logging of contractor has been permitted, and many contractors are cutting down the tree. Cutting down the tree. Many species they are cutting down. Many species they are cutting down, and the people of village do not want to forest, do not want to cut down the tree. Many people are going to their the house and the hug the tree. Many women are hug the tree. So the logging contractor the case was very difficulties. In the absence of man, woman and village reach the forest quickly and collapse the trunk of the arms of prevently the worker the cutting down of the tree. The government at the solve this scenario, the bandit of Chipko Andolon. Chipko movement was quickly spread across the communities and helped to the conservation of forest. So your teacher, you are already discussion in the class Chipko Andolan and benefit of Chipko Andolan. And you are also advised all the students, World Environment Day students, you will conserve the tree and you will cultivate. You will cultivate all the new sapling plants in your school campus, in your school ground, in your home, because these trees are very beneficial and very effective way at the time at the nature. So tree flora is the beauty of nature. Now the participations of local people management of forest. The people participations in the management of forest can help in increasing forest produces as well as the conservations. In the examples of people participation, the damage of the forest. Whose people are participation? Those people who are affiliated in the forest. Who are affiliated in the forest, who are loving flora, who are loving the forest, who are loving the forest product. So they are called affiliate of people. And management of forest. And the reverse the degradation in 1972, West Bengal Department formulated the novel scheme and degraded by the forest involved by the local people. And beginning A.K. Banerjee who conserved the West Bengal district, A.K. Banerjee who conserved the forest and forest product. And so A.K. Banerjee said that forest is the beauty of nature. Do not cutting down the forest. So many wildlife creatures are dependent on forest. Many tribal people are home and shelter are dependent on forest. So do not cutting down the forest. So government has restricted banded. Government has restricted banded at the wildlife hunting, wildlife poaching. So the forest product do not cut down. Government will launch many biodiversity area. Government will launch many wildlife sanctuaries. Government will launch many wildlife bird sanctuaries. So these are very helpful in our the nature. Conservation of wildlife. Any queries? Any teacher? Ma'am, sir, any queries? This topic, any query? So, conservation of wildlife. Why should we conserve wildlife? Why should we conserve wildlife? Wildlife, the large scale of poaching and hunting, the animals are deciding the forest by man. It is a serious threat the survival many animals and bird species. So, the large scale killing the snake and disturbance by the food chain. Large scale killing the disturbance by the food chain. Students are asked some question. Sir or ma'am, the forest, the snake is bite, but food chain is disturbed. How will you manage the food chain? At first discuss food chain. Your teacher, you are already at first discuss food chain. What are the means of food chain? The sequence, the food energy transfer from one trophic level to another trophic level. These are called food chain. So, first the food chain, the first trophic level is producer, means grass. Second trophic level is consumer, means grasshopper. Third trophic level means secondary consumer, means frog. Fourth trophic level means snake. And fifth trophic level means hawk. And the snake is poaching or killing and hunting. So food chain are also be disturbed. Even simple example the students are clarifying will be clear. Okay, and the large scale killing and snake and disrupt the food chain which snake occur and creates the imbalance in nature. So do not killing and poaching the snake. So many people are killing and poaching the snake because snake is very important in our nature. So snake skin is made different kind of lattice purses. Snake body, the teeth is very spacious for different kind of medicine. So many people are interested from the snake. So snake is very important for the nature. But do not poaching and hunting the snake, because hunting and poaching the snake, the disturbance of food chain. So now topic continue. Some measures that taken to conservation of wildlife. Why some will conserve the wildlife? The law should be made and imposed totally banned of poaching and hunting and killing the wildlife. Government will be restricted those people who are hunting and poaching the animal. So these people are illegally poaching and hunting the animal. So it's restrictedly banned. And even the some type of wildlife and birds are abundance in today. So different kind of birds are extinct in nature. Government department are concerned with the conservation of wildlife should be conducted period of survey all the forest and national park. You will teacher, you will also advise all the students do not hunting and do not poaching any wild animal. So wild animal and flora are beauty of nature. So you are do not poaching, do not cutting down the tree. Cutting down the tree because tree is very spacious. Tree provide oxygen and balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide. You are cutting down the tree, the imbalance of nature, because human life are not survive in nature. And then topic, the government department of the countries in the conservation of wildlife should be conducts a periodic survey all the forest and natural parks. Government has many national park, many wildlife sanctuaries are provide wildlife creature, and just like a bird sanctuary, Bharatpur bird sanctuary, just like a bird sanctuary, Madhumaliya bird sanctuary, many wildlife sanctuary, just like a Kaziranga park, just like a Sundarban, just like a Gujarat, Kanha. So many wildlife sanctuary and many bird sanctuary are government will be provided and do not hunting and poaching. Next topic continued. The special attention for the period of conservation of endangered species are very largely, and wildlife and birds are prevention actions together. The unauthorized felling and cutting down of the forest and timber, so the fuels and timber stop immediately. Those people who are cutting down the forest stop immediately and banded the cutting down of forest. Many problems are facing dam on the dam area. So India is a waterlogging country. So the time of monsoon, the total area will be flood victim. You will be teacher, you will also advise all the students. The waterlogging country, students, how will you manage? How will you manage waterlogging country? And what are the role of dam? And what a dam are benefited, and big dam are useful or harmful? And discuss dam. What are the means of dam? The dam in order to make a proper use of river water, and dams are constructed across the river, regulating the flow of water, and the control. Regulated the flow of water and control of dam. The dam excess water are controlled. The dam useful for the society. Dam are useful for the society. Dam are very useful for the society because water from the dam used to the irrigation in field and through the network of canal. Water from the dam are supply the people, town and city. Dam are very useful. Dam are very helpful. You will teacher. Some students are question arise. Sir or ma'am or sir, dam are very useful, dam are very harmful. How will you clarify? How will you clear this point? Dam are very useful, dam are very harmful. So dam are very useful. At first with your teacher, your 3 points are brief. Dam are very useful. First point, dam are very useful. So dam water provide all pipeline area, supply the water of cities and towns. Next point, the failing water from the dam are very generated of electricity, just like a hydrothermal power plant. And next, the water from dam are used for irrigation. irrigation purposes. So dam are very useful. The three answer, the students will be clear all 3 points. And then dam are very harmful. First point, social problem. What are the means of social problem? Students have asked some questions. Sir, what are the means of social problem? I am not taking the dam are very useful, but dam are harmful. Many social problems are arise. First social problem, due to the construction of high-rises dam, large number of humans settle villagers and submerge the waterlogged reservoir from any people are homeless. You will make a large dam, so many people are homeless. Who is this people? The people just like the villagers, the people just like the tribal people are homeless. And point number 2, environmental problem. The construction of high-rises dam, the river contribute the deforestation. High-rises dam, you made the deforested area. Deforested area means cutting down of tree. You are also taught the class, students do not cutting down the tree. But government has made a large dam. So large dam they are cutting down of tree and deforested. So many people arise some question. And deforestation and loss of biodiversity. The cutting down of tree, deforestation and loss of biodiversity. Just like a biodiversity of flora, just like a biodiversity of fauna. And economic problem. You will make a large dam. Some people say the construction high-rises dam involve the government use many massive money. So dam are very harmful in nature. Very harmful problem in nature. Any queries, sir or ma'am, this topic of dam and this topic of the wildlife sanctuaries and wildlife conservations? Okay. Students को first of all 2 things are support. First things is dams are very useful and dams are very harmful. First things you will also agree, student will also agree, but dam is necessary, ma'am. Dam is also necessary in our environment. So at India is a waterlogging country, I have already discussed. So at the time of rainy season, many areas are flood victim. You will not make a dam, so the totally area are flood and waterlogging area. So many people are diverse, many people are homeless, many people are jobless. So dam is made also necessary. Okay, and pollution of river water and Ganga Action Plan. Pollution of river water and Ganga Action Plan. The river water is the most in our the highly polluted. River water